Welcome to our guide on creating your avatar on Instagram using your Android device. Let's walk through the steps to personalize your avatar. To get started, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Locate the colorful camera icon and tap to launch the app. Next, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three horizontal lines to access the menu options. Then, select Account Center from the menu. Within the Account Center, tap on Profiles to manage your account profiles. Select your desired account, then tap on Avatar to customize your avatar. To make changes to your avatar, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up additional options for editing your avatar. If you wish to delete your current avatar, tap on Delete Avatar and then confirm your action by tapping Delete again. This will remove your existing avatar from your profile. By following these steps, you can easily create and customize your avatar on Instagram, adding a personal touch to your profile. Have fun expressing yourself creatively with your customized avatar. Thank you for watching.